Wait, 200 na lang nagbilin sa kukuan, wallet. A day in the life of a waffle time maker. Charing!
Ano, mag-uwan na lang po eh. Gutom po. Wait lang. You wait for me, boy.
Are you gonna buy?
Hindi na buy. Kasi naman itong KitKat eh.
Where's the KitKat? There's no KitKat here. Hello, ito po ang Varda fries, large, jumbo, lodi. Kaberts. Takoyaki sirado. Ano, what is this? What is that? It's the toppings.
Ay, saan ba ka na sa kong friends?
Sino friends?
My friends in Tagum.
Hello, friends. Hello, Salmon friends. Okay, this is Mapua.
Malayan Colleges Mindanao.
At Mapua Malayan Colleges Mindanao.
No, it's not Malayan, it's Malayan.
Malayan.
Ano nga yung kanta niyan?
Here at Malayan. Baby, oh.
Way the ways to take and the dashes is the wind. Oh, look at Mapua, bro. Wow. Let it is. Let it is. Oh, look at the sky, man. Way the ways to take and the dashes is the wind.
Namin siya perfect kung kayo siya doon. Sure if you want to try.
Ew! Awa, may lipstick na yan.
Hindi siya.
Yeah, it's cooked nice.
At ila hotdog sa.
Chow sam. Ay, hindi. Feeling to dili.
Hindi siya crispy.
Ano yung kagaya sa ano?
May ayagit.
Ano yung pwede hotdog?
Dami bitaw. What if mag-ilang? Hello. This is the day in the life, a day in the life of Samantha Ilya. Nag-elevator si Madam. Ay, hindi pala. Ay, ayan guys, ayan guys. Oh. Hey, solo natin! Wala na, wala na. Hey, solo namin!
May mautot ako.
Solo, solo, solo.
Uy, okay siya. Wala gani.
Second floor, third floor.
I'm meant to tell like you.
Mamukit Charing na. Hello po. Wow, magpapasok siya. Papasok ang teacher. Pwede yan. Okay, dito tayo. Hello po. Hello, this is me. Yawa ko. Ay, mag-ano tayo sa may boss ko sa